Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and wishing you all a very happy new year and a great year ahead. Today I have come up with one more decoupage tutorial for all of you, and that is decoupage on glass bottle with crackle effect. So let's check out what all things we need. Empty glass bottle, some brushes, some acrylic colors, white glue, Mod Podge, varnish and tissue napkin. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all the regular updates that I post here. So let's start with the video. Our first step is to color the bottle. So I have taken this purple color. I have mixed white and purple together to form this pastel shade, and I'll be covering the entire bottle using this purple color using a sponge. So after covering the bottle with purple color, now I'll start applying white glue on the area where I want the cracks. So I'm applying the glue in horizontal manner in the middle portion of the bottle. Now I'll be applying the white paint vertically on the wet glue to get the cracks. I'm applying only on the area where I have applied the glue and where I'll be sticking the tissue napkin. And now with the help of blow dryer, I'll dry this and I'll show you how the cracks are formed. So I have finished applying the white coat, and you can see how prominently the cracks are visible on the bottle. And this is without applying the crackle medium, and just with the help of white glue we have given these cracks. Now our next step is to apply the tissue napkin and decoupage the bottle. So I am applying a thin coat of Mod Podge, but properly in all the directions of the bottle. I have taken one portion and slightly I'll start sticking the napkin. Just make sure there are no or minimal wrinkles formed. Avoid all the wrinkles. So this is how my bottle looks after giving a coat of Mod Podge. And I'll just give you a close-up look. You can just see the cracks visible and the crackle effect. Now the empty area which is there, we'll be decorating it using dots. So I have taken acrylic pink color for this, and I'm going to just make small dots using a toothpick. You can even use stencil on this. And my bottle is ready. You can see the dots. Now I'll seal my work with the help of varnish. So I'm applying a generous coat of varnish. This is the Itsy Bitsy varnish, little birdie one, which I'm using. You can even use the Asian Paints PU varnish. It's a water-based varnish. Varnish is an important part in decoupage as it seals your work and protects your work from dust and dirt. So make sure whenever you do decoupage on any article, you seal it with varnish. So this is how my bottle looks after giving a coat of varnish, and it's completely ready. Do give a try and let me know your inputs on this bottle in the comment section. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and keep watching Enchanting Lights. Thank you.